I turn off the motion detection because makulit. So this is the product now of my bonsai materials that I rewire again. So it's nice. It looks like an old tree. Unsa man? Sige, kadali lang. So there's something. There's a unsa man? Pat, wala mo ko'y kwarta. Utangon na to. Pila po na tanan? 150? Sige. Balik ra unya rong hapon kay mangayo ko sa akong anak. Sige. Balik ko unya rong hapon ha. So get our neighbor selling this dili man ni bonsai pot. Bonsai pot daw 150, but it can be used as a bonsai pot. Maybe in need of money. So this ice cream to Tupperware man puro, pero it can be used as a pot anyway. Okay lang. So it's plenty. So if we just a donation. We have another pot here. This is the real pot. So I like this one. Maybe this is just a pakapin. This is the pot. So I get some idea now because it is a nice pot. It looks like an antique pot. So this cannot be sold into 150 alone. So I'm very lucky. So anyway, I just asked my daughter to pay this one. So ticket. So for today, I do my vlogging. So good morning to all of you. So I supposed to be not to do any vlog, but it's happened that somebody is coming here. So I will be transplanting some bonsai materials over again. So this is the one because my pot it's already damaged. Then it is a nice form for me, even though it's not so big materials, but it is nice because it's exposed growth. So I will transfer to this pot here. So and also I will get some bonsai materials over there to what is that? Repot or change a new pot. So it's so in it now here in my place. So also this one, I will transfer this one too because it is already damaged the pot. So I need to have a new pot or transfer ito a new pot. So this is now the bonsai materials. This is now these materials will transfer to this pot. Then what is these materials will transfer to this pot. Then these materials will transfer to this pot. So time to start. Then this one, I think they just sell this for how many? 20 pesos I think. Anyway, it's very enough. It's very good for me. It can be tulong to me and it can be tabang sa ako. So before I do the transferring or changing a new pot of my materials, I will transfer this motorcycle so that the background is nice. Also, this motorcycle is a limited edition. That is why naganahan ko ani nga motor or I like this motorcycle. Iba na motorcycle naman. Sige, anyway, so continue. I like this motorcycle too very much because when we buy this one, this is that make me amazed of this motorcycle. This one, it just gave a pakapin. So like this is very nice. It's unique. Have you seen that kind of umbrella? So it's very unique. So this is just for decoration umbrella. So we may fold Diane. But it's very nice because I cannot believe that you buy a motorcycle then including the umbrella because no atop or no these motorcycles no rope or no bubong. That's why they put an umbrella when they sell this one. So we will now go to lipat this one or transfer this so that it will not distract my video making for this day. So time to start. So now this one I will pull. If ever my video is long, I need to cut this root. We have a big root coming out here. So I'm almost done, or I am already done repotting or transfer to a new pot. I just cut some branch that is unnecessary. So this is my plant over here. So you can see it's opening. It's supposed to be I use this side is a plant, but we got a problem because there's branches that is covering in the front. Sayang naman if we cut this one here. So I decided to use this one into front. This one, that area. So need to trim. Even though as the shoot is still young, but to maintain its shape. Another wire here. Just hope that my video will not so taas because it's very hirap sa akin to edit the mahaba na video. So what I'm doing is even though is very nice if the root is coming out on this kapunuan niya, pero I do na gidip na ko siya paglubong para mamapa o become small kasi parang yangkaw maggamay kulang nasipyat lang. So after I will video this with the background so that makita or it can be seen kung lamig pa siya lantawon sa kuan kanang duol or kanang na background. So this is now my materials. So for me it looks now beautiful a little because of the new pot. So this one is other one here, then the other one. So for today I work 3 bonsai. This is the other one here, crack na pudding pot. I just then we have another one here. Ito na itukag-tukag. Another one here. So I will get sa a background and I will focus so that we can see it's nice to look. So this is now my bonsai that I work today. This is the pot that I buy into 150, including the other beginner's pot over there that I will use someday. So this is now the 360 of my bonsai materials. So I just use my pillow. Sa Bisaya, pahabol. So kabalo, pilo ba ni? Blanket. Pilo is unlan. So sa harina, sako patawan sa harina. So this is it. Then we get another bonsai materials. So it is a nice pot, ceramic pot, although it is broken, but it's very cheap, only 150. So we get another. Get a problem here. Video ta mo gawas puning hangin. Punom ra gud sa hangin. Hangin, hunom. Stop the wind. Okay, murat anik si kuan. So this is another. Then this pot is from the other bonsai materials, which is we ordered this one in Shopee. Yeah, Shopee. So this is now my small bonsai materials that I work for today. And this is another bonsai materials that is microcarpa that I worked early this morning before the pot is arrived. So the front of my bonsai material is here. One. So for this morning, just sharing all of my bonsai material, 3 bonsai materials with 2 is Argao Taiwan and 1 is microcarpa, this one. So just sharing what I'm doing every day in my bonsai garden. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye-bye.